Welcome, today I am with the Redmi Buds 4 and I'm gonna show you how you can move them to the pairing mode manually. Okay, so first of all, we have to remember to charge them at least to the 40%. At the bottom you can find input for the USB-C cable, and also we have to remove this foil from the earbuds. It will be located right here. Charge them, and next, simply, you have to find this button. It's on the back. You have to click and hold this button until this indicator on the front start blinking white. So let's make it right now. Open the case, put both earbuds inside, click and hold this back button and take a look on the indicator. As you can see right now, it's blinking quickly. So we can release that button, move it close to our smartphone, and then simply open the Bluetooth settings. And right now, when you go for the available devices and refresh the list, after a few moments, Redmi Buds 4 will pop on the list. So all you have to do right now, just click on them once and select pair. As you can see right now, we are simply connected. And that's how you can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.